Hi everyone, welcome to Cambis channel. Lovely and amazing people, courage to all of you who are going through this nightmare of Chimo and have your money locked during this bitter time. It shall be well. We like to analyze the last two announcements by Chimo, Communique 41 and 42. In our previous video, we talk about the number of days trades take to mature and the withdrawal issues. Let's see if they have been addressed in these two communiques. So let's see here the 41 of 12 April. 41 41 of 12 April. Good. Here we are. I believe everyone read this and took something from it. We will not go over to read all, but we'll actually analyze the most important lines here. Okay. Upon all this, I think here, published on the 16th April, of course. Chimo latest communications and e-commerce customers product stagnation clarification. So product stagnation clarification. Okay, this of course is also in French. It's also in French here, as you can see. Chez moi, dernière communication et e-commerce. Client, produit, stagnation, qualification. Ok, qualification de la stagnation des produits. Voilà, c'est en français ici que vous pouvez lire. Mais je vais faire l'analyse d'abord ici en anglais et voir si on peut faire un résumé en français. Bien. Like I was saying, product stagnation clarification. So you can read it through here. It's just about they are not an investment company. It is an e-commerce platform. And then here they try to give an example of what they do. Here you can see when you register as an owner of a non-refundable online store, you can unlock a marketplace for buying and selling. You can choose to ask the company to deliver it to you or sell it on your behalf and profit from it. For example, if you buy an item from a well-known e-commerce platform A at a wholesale price of $50 and sell it on platform A at a new retail price of $70, you may get an excess profit of $20. What does it mean? This means that you bought your favorite goods on platform A. If you are keen to own and use it, you can send it home. Or if you are willing to use it as a commercial platform for business and profit, you can also consign it to. You can also consign it on the platform as consignment. Would you say that your money has been invested in this e-commerce platform? No. Therefore, Tmall is an e-commerce platform. So uh, they they keep repeating this e-commerce platform that they are, and that they are not an investment company. Yes, that they are not an investment company. So they are e-com company. So that is what they try to put in here. So I think we all have to judge on this. As you can see here, you say if every customer who signs up as as a customer of the company would have consented and agreed to all company's terms and conditions in the company's membership agreement. It clearly states the company acts as a consignment to the customers who have purchased the product online and sells on behalf using the company's valuable concept of business. So that is what they are selling. They are telling us. So e-commerce platform claim. That is what they keep putting. So for me, this is my point of view. So if I have to buy a product and send it home on a platform, which is e-commerce platform, so why should I be an owner of a non-refundable online store when I register? Why? So that's my question. I've I put it there. Stop telling us this. We are not an investment. We are this and that. Whatever it is, we have some gains. We need our monies. That's all. They should focus on that instead of just telling us that we are not this and that. And I don't know where on earth an e-com business gives loans. I mean, I don't know. They say as per the membership agreement terms and conditions, the company never guarantees to its customers that all customer products will always be sold out, especially when it comes to uncontrollable circumstances like this during the COVID-19 pandemic challenges. If their products are not sold out, they will be returned to their customers. See, here it's about COVID-19. COVID-19, if products are not sold, they will be returned to their customers. So without COVID-19 or before advanced credit program. So I mean that one every 10 days we have our team. Like over 6 or 7 months, there was not a there wasn't any problem. We were receiving our gains. We were taking our money. So I mean, so what is this product not so be sent to? I mean, this is all. I mean, for me, this is all unnecessary thing to mention here. Then again, they mentioned that product was sent to. Uh, you see, they mentioned that product. Yeah, beside the company would like to reiterate again that many of the customer products were previously sent via waters and Coco. So here is it. This paragraph. They say product were sent previously to centers for distribution to customers. There's some center leaders have There's some centers. Their leaders distributed the product, but some other centers didn't do so. And then they are against that strongly. Here is it. Uh, here is it. Beside, the company would like to reiterate that many of the customer products were previously sent via waters and air freight and distributed to most of its service centers leaders, and thereafter to be distributed to their respective customers under their network. Service centers leaders have the utmost responsibility to distribute the customers' health products based on its latest and current trading areas in new retail and wholesale. We would like to believe that most of the service centers leaders are good souls whom have distributed all the customers' product to its customers registered under their network. However, we also learned that there are some irresponsible leaders who do not distribute products to customers at all. The company strongly discourages and condemns this type of cheating offenses and will take appropriate measures against the offenders. Fine. So you see, that's what we are saying. Communication. Like in our previous video, we kept mentioning it till the end that communication as professionals, they have to communicate this. When you are sending product to your customers, I mean, the platform is there. I mean, what is preventing you from putting it out there like this one? That will be informed that we are sending product to centers. Check on your product at this particular time at your centers for everyone to be aware, to know. So you don't communicate and then all of a sudden you came here to say that you send product to centers and then some leaders distributed the product and some other leader didn't distribute. And now you're against that. Yeah, we move on. Here, they say due to the rise of cases in the pandemic, our income has become stagnant. Hence, withdrawals are slower. CO. Withdrawals are slower. And customers have products and some services are lagging behind slightly. The customer products were manufactured to be sent out are stockpiling in the warehouses due to poor sales, and it is not helping withdrawals globally when customers are not helping to selling them by mainly rely on the company to sell them. So the company wishes to encourage all its customers that the sales of the product depend on everyone's effort to sell them to make profit. The company also urges every CHI customer to be patient at all times while going out and about and helping selling the product to the public in its best endeavors in order to gain profit and make company withdrawals run smoothly and normally again soon. So they are telling that we should help them sell the product to the public. Again here, you see, pandemic, pandemic, and pandemic. Pandemic, pandemic. But me, I want to ask one question. Is not this trial time, is not this pandemic time rather that e-commerce people, is it not this pandemic, in this pandemic rather e-commerce businesses had boom? Or e-com platform. I mean, today they are partying their bats and happy for their success. Hmm? And Shimos, their case is different. Eh? With this new concept, retail, whatever, as for them, their own is pandemic. Eh? They are blaming their own on pandemic. Meanwhile, the pandemic helps. I mean, online this online business. People, I mean, do well. Hmm? So this is for everyone to see or to judge. And how do they expect us to help them? They say we should help them sell the product to the public. And how should we help sell the product? They should be clear. Hmm? Or it's a pyramid scheme. Hmm? It's a pyramid scheme where we should bring some other people on board before we can make some gains. Hmm? So if you don't bring people on board, we won't get gains or profits. I mean, I don't know. Yo, then we should move on. It's for everyone to judge. We should move on. So the company also mentions the product are always ready to be shipped and blah 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 blah. Then somewhere here, which is interesting here, is uh, please resist trusting other third-party communications whom may pose as scammers and imposters that will seal your assets in Seymour. Please resist selling your your online stores away cheaply as people keep hold of the Seymour assets patiently will turn out to be excited and grateful soon. Always watch the space, keep up the confidence, and have faith in the company. So, fine, you should stop trusting third party communication. Resist selling our stores away cheaply. That's when you keep hold, when we wait, we'll be excited and be grateful soon. So, my question is so if you don't communicate, Shimo, if you don't communicate, who should we trust now? Yes, yes. If all these are happening, the fault is from you. It's from you. If you have to listen to third party, it's because you are not communicating, you are not talking, you are not saying anything. Hmm? For a month now, withdrawals are not coming, and you are just there. Nothing is coming out of from you. So third parties will come in. Eh? So you should blame it on you should blame it on yourself. Eh? That one there is you. Uh-huh. Then here again, we should move on. An interesting part again here. We believe that as long as we survive this difficult time together, things will gradually start getting better. Once again, we wish everyone a safe and healthy 2021. Please continue to speak about the true value of the company. Know your responsibility. Be responsible to one another. Practice social distancing. Stay home and stay safe. Let's do so much more to flatten the COVID-19 curve together. Fine. Another interesting thing here. They say, please continue to speak about the true value of the company. Yes, they should tell us the true value of their company, the true value of Shimo. What is the true value? Yeah, I don't know. They should tell us what is the true value of Shimo now. Hmm? I'm sorry here, I'm sorry, but Shimo, they are not acting as professionals. Oh. Honestly, yes. Yes. Eh? They are not acting as a professional. They are not acting as professionals for us to talk about any true value, any true value. I mean, I don't know. Hmm? What are the value? What are the values, or what are the value of Shimon? What are the values? Hmm? Not paying us or not giving us any explanation. Is that the true value? Hmm? Or keep mentioning that away some new retail concept, which is not an investment business. Is that the true value? I think they have to be focused. Shimo have to be focused. They have to be more serious than this. Oh. And even see upon all this, from here to here, upon all this that have been published here, they didn't even talk about withdrawals. Nothing, no mention. No mention about withdrawals. Hmm? Hmm? Well, let's move on to the communique 42. So this the French version I was saying. Uh, you can go through, for you who speak French. You can go through, and then you see what they put out there. But we mention our analysis, our question to them. Like I said, the readers, they see our videos, and like I said, the readers, they watch our video, and definitely they have to do better than this. So pour there we are. Good. Communique 42. 17 April. Public the same date. See more clarification on delay of consignment release. Good. Up to here. So you also have the French version here. Donc vous avez la version française ici. Vous qui aimerez la lire, vous pouvez la lire. Nous allons ensemble analyser ceci et juger. Voilà. Okay. Clarification on the product on consignment. Good. Please be advised, some of the products are still on consignment and pending release. And apology for that. This we apologize for the inconvenience caused. Everyone in the world knows that since the outbreak of the epidemic in December 2019, companies and factories in various countries have suspended work and production. As global epidemic crisis has erupted, the numbers of cases continue to rise even with the vaccinations. However, the company has been doing its best to protect the interests of its customers. The company provides a platform for customers to perform custody and consignment services and fully protect the interests of customers. At the same time, some unscrupulous and untrustworthy people published various false news, and slandered the Tmall platform in all aspects. Due to the misleading negativity, the number of online shoppers plummeted, which affected consignment sales and affected the income of these customers. So this is what they are telling us. I mean, this one everybody uh, can read and have his own understanding. Again, COVID-19, we at Cambridge Channel, we understand that fine, COVID-19 and its impact on more activities, new concept retail or new retail concepts. Fine. That is why we see delay in consignment and sales. Yes, COVID-19, good. But what about the completed consignment and items sold and the gains? CHI point. I mean CHY points that we made that are now in our account, and the withdrawals, and their withdrawals, at least fine if there are delays for tail to mature, for consignment and sales to the customers. If there are delays in all that, at one point in time, they were delivered, and we have the points, CHY points, that we should withdraw. At least give us that one. Give us the little that we had in our account to restore confidence. For me, that is it. So upon all this, yes, blah 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 blah. Upon all this pandemic, and then things are delayed, and so fine. At one point in time, there were some sales, and we have the point in our account. So Shimo, release that one. At least the small that we got, release it. Hey, it will give us some confidence. You know. It should give us some confidence. Or because of the COVID-19 tour, the one that they sold, and then we had a point in our account, they can't release it. Me, I don't understand. Shimo. And see here, they say during the severe pandemic, many companies around the world are facing bankruptcy, platform closures, and daily human survival is affected. However, Timor is still blessed and standing tall. Hey, we intended to live on and beyond this difficult period. My goodness. Standing tall, really? Timor. And you can't process our withdrawals. You can't process our withdrawal and even communicate. Even simple communication is not coming. This one self, if it's not the public outcry, I'm not sure we will have this one. Your customers, you don't value your customers. Timo, you don't value your customers. So if some other people are slandering you are. So if some other people have slandered you, don't complain. The number of customers Timo have. Some people, if they get this kind of customers, they'll be far. So Timo, do well. Hmm? Do well to communicate so that we know what is going on. Hmm? If you have issue, if you have issue regarding withdrawals, disclose it to your members instead of beating around the bush. So, like I said in my previous video, tell us that we should wait for 1 or 2 months for the withdrawals to be effective so that we relax and wait. By then, you have to do your homework. Shimo, you have to do your homework and keep to your word. Other than that, it will be a disaster because by the time you correct your mistakes and the disappointment causer, you won't see anybody. So, Chimo, we are expecting more than this. Especially the withdrawals. Tell us about our withdrawals and stop COVID-19, whatever. Tell us about withdrawals, Chimo. So, we continue. The company has provided various countries with assistance, including various anti-epidemic safety equipment. You see, all this one is not necessary. We all know everybody's corner has done something to someone. Withdrawals, withdrawals. That's what we want to know. Please, Chimo. Okay. So here you can see a screenshot of a trade that was launched on the 17th April, the very day they published this announcement. So you can see here, 17th April, a trade was launched. And if you check the data, this just after 5 or 4 minutes when they did this, you see, 129 days, 23 hours, 55 minutes. So this means that actually trades will mature in 13 days. That is it, for 10 cycles. Where we know. So 10 times 13. So you have 130 days, which is here. So through this screen, I can understand that trades will take now 13 days to mature from this screenshot. If that is the case, then let's wait and see. But me, particularly, I'm not seeing that. I mean, it seems like all these ones, they are just there. They just adjust the system some way that you see these days there, but it's not actually that because I have 2 accounts. One, I use manual trading, and that one I can show you. This one, this very one, this very one, this is it. This very one, this very one, manual trading. See here, 17 March 2021. Up to today, it's still on consignment. More than 1 month, more than 30 days. Today we are 20th. See. More than 1 month, still consignment. It has not matured. But when I started, it's like, 18 days or 21, 18 days. Initially, it was 18 days. Then you see consignment, 3 or 4 days, then that's all, immature. But now, more than 1 month is still there. And And the other one, which which is uh, uh which is for one, which is for automatic trading. Let's see here my orders. See, look at here, 12 12 March, and it was for 180 days. At that time, the trade takes uh, 18 days. Before 1st April, it was 18 days. So if you see 12 March, it was for 180 days. Now, even if we take it like 18 days, so look at here, 12 March, 12 March, and it was for 180 days. That means 18 days for a cycle. So 12 March, if we take 12 March, normally 30th March or 31st March, the first trade should mature. Good. Just look at here. Currency flow. Currency flow. Here. So 31st March, like I was saying, 31st March, 31st March. Here. 31st March. The first one matured. Here is this. It matured here, 31st March. It matured here. I have the gain. You see the gain. CHY points, income paid. These two. 31st March. Now, 31st March, the second should mature when? 17 April or 18 April. Today we are 20th. Look at here. Since 31st March, these are some of the boutique points. I mean, bonus and commission. That's all. So from 31st March up to today, up to today, normally 18 March should, normally 18 April rather, normally 18 April should show already here with the gain. But after 18 days, nothing is here. Nothing is here. And today we are 20th. So that is some of the inconsistencies I'm talking about. Shimon should be more serious than this. If they know that, oh, the trade is going to take these days and these days, they should just mention. They should communicate. They should communicate. Shimon, you should communicate. Or it seems like they themselves, they don't even know now when a trade will mature or will not mature. That's why they are talking about delay on consignment. I don't know. But this should go beyond, I mean, this kind of professionalism. It's not showing professionalism at all. Honestly. Chimo, you should do better than this. It's just like we are just there. So, you launch one trade, it's going to take 13 days or whole. You don't even know. You don't even know. It's going to take 20 days or 1 month. You don't even know. We are just there. So what kind of business is this? Some other platform, you know that your gain at the end of the day, your gain will drop. You see, and then it's consistent. So if they are showing 13 days here, just like this one, 18 days bypass, and then here in this communique, they are showing 18 days. What is it? They are showing 18 days. Yeah, they are showing 18 days. This communique, they are showing 18 days here. As a period for one trade to mature. And that 13 days will pass and you don't have anything. So what is the use, Timo? Okay, please viewers, this is what we have for you. You have to judge. We always voice it out when we don't see any proper progress. We always voice it out. So please, that is for this video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for our next videos. Thank you. Ok, pour cette vidéo, nous avons parlé du communiqué 42 dans lequel Shimon nous a fait savoir que la pandémie a causé beaucoup de tort, que c'est pour cela que les consignations traînent et que les ventes ne se réalisent pas. Et que quand bien même qu'ils sont en train de faire leur mieux pour améliorer les choses, il y a des gens, il y a ça ici, la version française. Quand même ils sont en train de faire leur meilleur, vous allez lire, il y a des personnes peu scrupuleuses et peu fiables qui ont publié diverses fausses nouvelles et calomnié la plateforme Shimon sous tous ces aspects. Donc, à raison de la négativité trompeuse, le nombre d'acheteurs en ligne a chuté, ce qui a affecté les ventes en consignation, les revenus de ses clients. Voilà. Donc, c'est là, pour nous disons que, même si il y a des retards dans certaines choses, il y a des retards dans les consignations et les ventes, mais il y a quand même des ventes qui ont été réalisées, quel que soit le temps que ça a pris. Donc, le peu que nous avons gagné, le peu que nous avons fait, surtout dans nos comptes, qui nous donne ça au moins, ou bien, pour les pertes, nous tous, nous avons déjà fait des pertes. Même si c'est 40 jours que ça prend pour finir, une fois que ça finit, au moins, il faut qu'ils nous donnent ça. Mais ça aussi ne vient pas, c'est ça le problème. C'est ça le problème avec Shimon, on ne comprend pas. Même si c'est 100 jours que ça prend pour finir, une fois que ça finit, ils n'ont qu'à nous donner ce que nous avons. Au moins ça. Et puis ils ont parlé que, et puis ils ont dit qu'ils ont été bénis et qu'ils sont, c'est ça ici. Au cours de la grande pandémie, de nombreuses entreprises du monde entier sont confrontées à la faillite, à la fermeture de plateformes et à la survie de l'humanité au quotidien. Cependant, Shimon est toujours béni et debout. Nous comptons vivre pendant et au-delà de cette période difficile. Enfin, ça c'est bien. C'est tout ce que nous souhaitons. Mais quand ils disent qu'ils sont debout, ils sont bénis debout, c'est là le problème. Ils n'arrivent même pas à communiquer, ils n'arrivent pas à payer nos points. Ils disent qu'ils sont debout. Là, ça pose des questions. Et quand on continue, on a cet écran, cette capture d'écran d'un trading, auto-trading bien sûr. Ici, le 17 avril, le même jour qu'ils ont passé le communiqué. Quand vous observez ici, ça fait 130 jours au total. Ça veut dire que 17 avril, vous allez voir que ça fait 130 jours. Donc, 13 jours fois 10, puisque nous savons que en automatique, normalement, c'était 100 jours. Mais maintenant, avec 13 jours, ça fait 130 jours. Mais tout ça là, c'est rien, parce que c'est comme si, eux-mêmes, ils ne savent même pas quand un trade va finir. Nous sommes tous là. Quand ça finit, ça finit. Donc, c'est ça. Bon, merci à vous pour nous avoir suivis. Nous sommes là, nous allons toujours